In this video, we will step through how to modify the settings of your RealConnect conference. Open the DMA interface in your browser. Navigate to the Service Configuration menu, then select Dial Plan and Dial Plans. Click on the listed dial plan to see the dial rules for your video network. Under the Action column, locate the Resolve to Conference ID by Skype Query dial rule. Highlight it and click the Edit action. This dial rule controls how the Polycom network connects to the Microsoft network. The conference template listed here is used for all conferences in the RealConnect setup. Make note of the template name and then click the Cancel button. Click on the Service Configuration menu, then Conference Manager and Conference Template. Highlight the conference template that you are using for the RealConnect setup and click the Edit action. You now have the ability to edit the settings of your RealConnect conferences. Take a few minutes to review the conference template settings available in the DMA system. Now navigate back to the dial rules. Open the RealConnect dial rule and make note of the MCU pool order that is selected. Click the Cancel button and open the Integrations menu. Select MCUs. Then go to the top right of the screen and select MCU pool orders. Locate your MCU pool order from the list and click the Edit action. The selected MCU pools control which MCUs are used for the RealConnect conferences. To review which MCUs are assigned to each MCU pool, click the MCU Pools menu. These MCUs and the conference template are used each time a meeting is created for RealConnect. This concludes our review of how to modify the settings of your RealConnect conference.